Rosemary is doing far more than just making food taste better. Inside rosemary leaves, there are natural compounds that quietly influences your brain, your immune system, your digestion, and even the way your cells age. Let's take a journey inside the body to discover what happens when you eat rosemary every day. Your brain gets a natural wake-up call. The very first place rosemary makes its presence known is your brain. As rosemary enters the digestive system, some of its active compounds are absorbed into the bloodstream and eventually reach the brain. One of the most studied compounds is called carnosic acid. Think of your brain as a busy city with billions of electrical messages traveling along highways every second. Over time, pollution in the form of oxidative stress can damage these roads. Carnosic acid acts like a cleanup crew. Research suggests it helps protect brain cells from oxidative damage and supports healthy nerve function. Rosemary may also influence a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine, which plays an important role in memory and learning. Imagine acetylcholine as the brain's messaging app. The more efficiently these messages travel, the easier it is to remember names, focus on tasks, and process information. This is one reason rosemary has been associated with memory and mental performance for centuries. While it isn't a magic brain booster, eating rosemary regularly may help support long-term brain health. A wave of antioxidant protection moves through your body. Your cells are under attack every day, not from enemies you can see, but from unstable molecules called free radicals. These molecules are like tiny sparks flying around a wooden house. A few sparks aren't a problem, but over time, enough sparks can create damage. This is where rosemary's antioxidant steps in. Rosemary contains compounds such as rosmaric acid, carnosol, and carnosic acid. These substances help neutralize free radicals before they can damage cells. Think of them as firefighters moving through your body, putting out sparks before they become dangerous fires. This antioxidant activity may help protect tissues throughout the body, including the heart, brain, skin, and blood vessels. Your immune system receives extra support. Deep inside your body, billions of immune cells stand guard day and night. They are like security personnel protecting a massive city. Rosemary contains plant compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation is a natural part of healing, but chronic inflammation is different. Imagine a fire alarm that never turns off. Eventually, the constant noise creates stress throughout the system. Research suggests rosemary compounds may help regulate inflammatory pathways, particularly supporting a healthier immune response. This doesn't mean rosemary prevents disease. It means it may help your body's natural defense system work more efficiently. Your digestive system may work more smoothly. Rosemary has been used to support digestion for centuries. This is because when you eat, your body must break food into tiny pieces that can be absorbed and used. Think of digestion as a large food processing factory. Enzymes, stomach acid, and digestive juices are the workers. Rosemary appears to encourage some of these digestive processes. Many people find that herbs like rosemary help meals feel easier to digest, especially rich or fatty foods. Its natural compounds may also help reduce occasional bloating and digestive discomfort in some individuals. While results vary from person to person, rosemary has a long history of digestive support health. Your heart may benefit. Every second of every day, your heart pumps blood through roughly 60,000 miles of blood vessels. There's an incredible workload to keep these systems running smoothly. The body needs protection against oxidative stress and inflammation. Rosemary's antioxidant may help support healthy blood vessels by reducing oxidative damage. Some studies also suggest rosemary may contribute to healthy circulation. Imagine your blood vessels as highways. The healthier and smoother those roads remain, the easier traffic can move. Although rosemary alone won't transform heart health, incorporating it into a healthy diet may contribute to a long-term cardiovascular wellness. The key word is support. Rosemary isn't a miracle cure. It's a long-term daily habit that may contribute to a long-term wellness when combined with healthy eating, exercise, sleep, and stress management.